I will take Panaji MLA in our feeder board to identify, and then especially आमचं department, that is captain of ports, आमचे जे technical people are तेंका वत्तले आमी. We will see on towards our side, Aguada Bay, ते साइडीन न्हू, towards this side only. If it is feasible only, it will be shifted. See, site identify तेंका shifting करपाक आनीक दुसरी म्हाका दिसता सायटूच ना. सो आमी आयडेंटिफाय कोत्ता म्हणटा, खाली हांवें उलयला पळय दादा, हे सायडीचे ते सायडीन वचोंक जाता, where there are no waves, where there is the water should not move. So that is very important. Safety of passengers is important. That the small feeder boats going to the main ship, they should not have a problem while going. Only when Mopa airport work starts in full swing, I think Chief Minister in that proposed site of Mopa planning area, Mopa planning area, PDA area, there is, yeah, it can be, there is a possibility of all the casinos getting shifted over there. One place has to be identified, so that they will have to negotiate or take the land on lease from the from MPDA. Government has acquired that land. That is again a policy decision of the government. So government will have to take a decision. Chief Minister, along with all the cabinet, the party, our party, Bharatiya Janata Party also is there. And right now, the ships will get extension as and when their dates are coming for expiry. We cannot throw them out. Government gives a license, government cannot tell them to go. Earlier Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was always saying, I will shift them to Mopa, into where the land has been acquired for a lot of other things, gaming, small mini amusement park, hotels, resorts, everything. So all that area next to the airport, which has been marked and acquired, and that is declared as a planning area, is declared for that purpose.